Guys, we're gonna be making some birria. We're gonna do it in the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker, but we're also gonna use the Ninja Foodi hot and cold blender. We're gonna use the Ninja Foodi never stick pans. Guys, we're all Ninja Foodi all day here. We're gonna use some chuck roast, and we're gonna use some short ribs in this bad boy, and it's gonna be amazing. So I already have some vegetables roasting up in the oven right now. If I thought about it, I would have used my Ninja Foodi oven. We could just totally done all Ninja Foodi, but I didn't. So we got some garlic, onions, tomatoes. Those are getting roasted up, 400-degree oven, probably about a half hour. Gives us enough time to get going with the meat, browning it off, and working with the chilies. Today, we're gonna do the high, hit start. We're gonna sear these bad boys up first. Just a little neutral oil on these. And we're just gonna use some kosher salt. You can be liberal with it. These are big pieces of meat. Get the salt rubbed in. Got our short ribs, got our chuck roast. It's gonna be amazing, guys, amazing. The flavors that come out of this dish blow your mind. Get these pieces of meat seared off. We're gonna do it in batches. You don't wanna overcrowd it. You're gonna build some good flavor on these bad boys. All right, while we're searing that meat, let's get our chilies ready. We got guajillo and we got ancho chilies. I have about 5 of each right here. What we're gonna do is take them and deseed them and pull off that stem. If there's seeds in there, it ain't gonna hurt anybody. All right, so clear those out. All right, we're still browning up that meat, but we got our chilies deseeded, and destemmed. We're gonna put it in some beef bone broth. We're gonna let it steep in there, rehydrate a little bit, and then we'll use this as our liquid to blend these up. The first batch is done. We're looking for some good color like that on there. All our veggies are roasted. We're gonna get them in the blender. Squeeze out that garlic, good roasted garlic. Okay, now let's get these peppers in there. They're rehydrated. Try not to make a mess. We're gonna use the juice in there, the stock that reconstituted the peppers. All right, we're gonna get this lid on. All right, we're gonna crack this open, this little opening right here. There's a lot of steam gonna build up in there, and we're actually gonna cover it with a towel. All right, lock it in, power. We're just gonna do high. All right, we let it blend up for about 30 seconds. Nice and smooth. Now we're gonna get it into the Foodi. We're gonna get our chili mix in there. And we got some homemade beef bone stock. Got about a teaspoon of black pepper, dashes of cumin in there. We're just gonna do a couple dashes of cinnamon. It'll overpower it, so don't do too much. We got some Mexican dried oregano, some crushed chipotle pepper, a couple healthy pinches of salt, kosher salt. Gonna add a bay leaf in there. Get this thing cooking, huh? I know it's a lot of steps to get there, but we're there. All right, we're sealing it on the top. We are going to pressure cook on high, and we're gonna go 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay, hit start. When we finish the 1 hour and 30, we're gonna do a slow release on it. All right, guys, we're done. The 1.5 hours up. We're gonna do a natural release on this. Just let it take its time. Release. We're gonna fish out all that meat so we can shred it up. And then we got our lovely consomme in there. Make sure you find all the bones from the short ribs. Gonna start shredding. Oh, dude. Oh, that looks money. I gotta try it. Oh yeah, that's money in the bank. Oh man, that is too good. Too good. Oh, too good. All right, I'm gonna continue shredding. Get these all ready for the queso tacos. Oh, so good. Make sure you're shredding it with that fat in there too, because you know fat is flavor. All right, we're good to go. Also, we need to grab some of this consomme out of here. Dip it cup. We'll use this to dip all that goodness in there. Oh, look at that. All right, come on back, we'll be on the stove. All right, guys, we're over here on the stove. We got our Ninja Foodi never stick pan there. We're gonna get some of these queso tacos together. First thing we're gonna do is dip these corn tortillas in the consomme, and we'll start grilling them off. We got some Oaxaca cheese. This is the traditional cheese to use. All right, we're dipping the tortilla. We'll get it in there. Next one, we're gonna do 2 at a time, like good flavors. Add some of that Oaxaca. You know I like them cheesy, so you can do it how you want. Those looking good. I'm gonna get some of this with this birria over here. For good measure, I'm gonna add a little bit of the consomme in there. All right, we're gonna get these folded up on each other. It's okay if it rips a little bit. We're gonna get them crispy and crunchy. All right, so it's take 2 on these. Mrs. CJ was the sacrificial lamb to try them. They blew out like crazy, so I changed it up a little bit, put a little less the consomme in there, and now they're holding together pretty well. We're gonna toast them up real nice, and we'll do the taste test. All right, guys, we are done. We're ready to dip and slurp and eat and the whole bit. It's hot. Got our consomme right here. Look at that. Get the focus on that. All right, we're dipping, dunking. Stop it. You know that's good. Man, that is amazing. Guys, you need to try it. It's just that simple. I mean, it's pretty simple. It's just gonna take you a little bit of time, but I know you're gonna wanna try it. I know you're gonna want it, love it, be it, own it. It's money in the bank. Guys, if you wanna get yourself one of these ninjas, any of the ninja stuff I used on this one, links down below. Anything in my videos you wanna get, from the cutting boards to the knives, all that good stuff, links are down below. That's it for this one. Thank y'all for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.